Okay, Siddesh, so let's proceed ahead with your mock interview for MTech in Rural Technology IIT Guwahati. Very
Yes.
brief introduction from your side, in which you will tell us that why you want to go in this department, MTech in Rural Technology, and once you get selected, in which domain would you like to work? These two things, very straight.
So, so my name is Siddesh Milind Darole. I did my mechanical engineering from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, which is situated in Navi Mumbai in the year 2019. And I like my hobbies are like to read books and travel to offbeat places. My final year project was based on designing and manufacturing a all-terrain vehicle, which I successfully completed. And my role was to design the chassis of the vehicle. Later on, we also participated in a rally car desert race, which was held in Thar Desert of Rajasthan. And my my career goal is to do something for the nation, and while at the same time contributing for the rural people. uh, so I feel, and belonging from Maharashtra, I saw that the farmer suicides are increasing day by day, and their cause can be attributed to their debts, increasing debts and crop failures. And one more thing I noticed that there is lack of cold storage facilities uh, for perishable products like fruits and vegetables. So I would like to integrate that solar energy with cold storage facilities because they require power to run the compressor. So I would like to integrate that, and because solar energy is renewable and it is beneficial for the climate as well as for the farmers because it is cheap and clean energy.
Okay, so tell us, Siddesh, how would you like to do that? How will you work that further? You have mentioned in your research proposal about solar powered agri pumps. You have mentioned
Yes.
about productivity also, how you tend to enhance the productivity. So looks like you are working on solar agri pumps. Would you like to work on that? Is that
No, not solar agri pumps, but I have mentioned that one of the uses it
okay?
can be used as one like solar power. But
Where would you like to contribute?
I would like to continue with cold storage facilities
Okay, tell us more
like
about that.
refrigeration. Uh, I would integrate solar and like solar panels are becoming cheap day by day. So I I would like to research on solar panels because
Cold
the
storage
efficient.
may what kind of energy is required for cold storage? That is a refrigeration thing, right?
Yes.
So how do you want to create refrigeration for cold storage using solar energy? Can you do that?
Yes, solar energy can be used to run the compressor, and further
Do you
it
think
can
that can be used to run the compressor
yes.
even during night time?
No, then we can use batteries for nighttime.
So then
We can
what is
store
the how you will charge the batteries?
with solar energy.
And batteries will be sufficient to run the compressor?
Um, I
Why don't
don't
you
know
go
about.
for vapor absorption refrigeration
I
using
would go
solar
for
energy?
I would go for vapor compression refrigeration.
Vapor compression. But you know, if you have heat energy from solar energy is a heat energy, it is
Yes,
better you go for vapor absorption rather than vapor compression because their work is required. No,
but vapor compression is a simple cycle and it is very cheap
but
compared
requiring
to
work
vapor.
energy. Electric work is required for that, right?
Yes,
Hmm. So can you use solar energy to run AC in the houses?
AC in the houses.
Hmm.
Uh,
Or domestic fridge? अगर तुम घर
yeah,
में domestic fridge नहीं चला पाए तो cold storage तो बिल्कुल नहीं चला पाओगे. Any idea what is the temperature in cold storage?
like apples require -1 to 4 degrees Celsius.
हाँ तो घर में
Uh,
जो domestic fridge होता है,
hmm.
do you have any example domestic fridge being run by solar energy so far?
No, sir. I
So
don't.
how you will do, Siddesh, about cold storage? Any examples anywhere? Cold storage through solar energy?
No, sir. I haven't read about anything, but I am sure it is possible because it can
Then
run
there has to be
pumps.
some basis. Hmm.
If it can run pumps, then it surely can run compressors.
Pump and compressor work required is same.
Not same, but
Pump में
it
compressor
is
में work required is 1000 times more than that in pump. You know that, right?
yes.
Steady flow work,
Yes, to compress.
VDP. Steady flow work, VDP work.
Yes.
So specific volume of water is 1000 times less than that of air. You know that.
Mhm.
So compressor work is 1000 times more than pump work. So if
Mhm.
solar energy is used to run pump, agree. Solar pressure cooker, agree. Solar light, agree.
Mhm.
But the moment it comes to compressor, air conditioning,
Mhm.
then concentrated power is required. That was my question is. Storage of solar energy is a very difficult task. How do you ensure storage of that energy in compressed air form?
So we can increase, like we can do solar grids and are also available.
Okay.
We can transfer that energy to solar grids. Like PM Kusum scheme is that only, like it takes it synthesizes energy security and income security between farmers. Like if the farmers can sell their solar electricity produced to the solar grid, and they can do that. Like if we develop a cold chain facility with industries, that is also a possible solution to increase the solar.
Vishal sir, any
Yes.
question if you have?
Siddesh, you know about thermoelectric refrigeration?
Thermoelectric, no sir.
Okay, you heard about the like how Seebeck effect? You heard about Seebeck effect?
Yes sir, Seebeck effect, yes.
So what is the reverse of Seebeck effect? What is the reverse?
Reverse, no sir, I don't know. I don't have any idea.
You heard about Peltier effect?
No sir.
You have not heard about Peltier effect in your 12th physics?
No sir.
Great. So, like Vijender sir very clearly sir has mentioned, and it is the fact you cannot use solar energy for a VCRS system. Okay, there's a huge electricity, huge consumption is required. Like even if you will talk about 1 ton refrigeration, then you require 3.5 kilowatt of the electricity. And for 3 watt, how much area of the collector required? Like suppose if I will go with your analysis. So can you tell us some brief about that? What type of area of the collector required for running a just 1 ton of the refrigeration system?
Sir, actually, the current efficiencies of solar panel is 20%. So I would like to increase that efficiency, because the area
Go with
required is more.
25%. Go with 25%. So what is the area required? Can you tell us some? Can you give us some rough idea? Like this is the area required, sir.
Sir, I had read about it, but I am not able to recall currently.
Okay, fine. You heard about aperture area of a collector, solar collector.
Aperture area, no sir.
Fine. So, okay, any other research area which is in your mind, like other than this cold storage plant? Any other area in which you want to work?
No sir, not yet.
Okay.
Like renewable energy sector is like my favorite domain. So I would like to increase that efficiency as much as possible.
Fine. So renewable is your area, but in solar electrical, that is a solar electrical system. Like
Yes.
the panel which you are talking, that is much related to electrical domain. Little bit related to mechanical domain. If you are
Yes.
interested in mechanical domain, then you need to go with the heat and heat only. You need to convert heat into heat.
Yes.
That is a mechanical domain, like which sir has mentioned. Like you need to go for VARS system. You need to go for some kind of heating system. Like suppose you are producing steam, you are producing that using that for some kind of rural application. Like suppose there is some kind of area where you are using steam. Okay, that you can further utilize for other processes also. Okay, fine. So you heard about ER. Like if you will go to market and if you will purchase any kind of refrigeration, there is some ER is mentioned, like in front of the refrigerator.
No sir, I haven't observed about this.
No, like some logo is there, some star rating is there, and
Oh,
below
B
that
double
star,
star rating. Yes, B
yes,
double star.
below that some EER, some that number is mentioned with that some number is there with EER star and some number is there. So what is that EER?
No, sir, I haven't noticed that.
Achha, can you simply tell us about the 1 ton of refrigeration? What do you mean by 1 ton of refrigeration?
Yes. It is the amount of heat required in 24 hours to convert 1 ton of ice at 0 degrees Celsius to ice at to ice at 0 degrees Celsius.
Heat required.
Sorry, sir.
No, heat required to be supplied
Yes,
to water to convert it into ice.
at 0 degree. Yes, at 24 hours. In 24 hours.
What do you think? By supplying heat, can you convert water into ice?
Sorry, by taking it
Okay.
from what?
Okay, can you calculate this 1 ton?
Like how, sir?
1 ton is approximately equal to 3.5 kilowatt.
Yes.
So how we can get this formula? Like how we can get this relationship? That lies in
By
that statement only.
Latent heat, I think.
No, that the statement which you are mentioning, it is that in that only. Try to apply your mind.
No, sir, I am not able to.
Okay. Okay. Yes, I think, sir, we can give feedback. So
Yes, yes, Vishal sir.
Yes, yes. So let me give you feedback. Yes, yes,
Yes,
Vishal sir. Okay. So Siddesh, you need to work, Siddesh, like you are mentioning about VCRS system, then you're not aware about other areas. Okay. You're mentioning, sir, I don't know any other area. I know only about this. You're not mentioning anything about Peltier effect. Like suppose if you are like what is CVEC effect? When you are maintaining the two different temperature at two different junctions of some metallic wire, you will be able to get some voltage. So
yes.
reverse of that is the Peltier effect. When you are giving the voltage, you can get the temperature difference also. So that is a basic, that is a principle of thermoelectric refrigeration system. And the temperature difference easily you can produce with solar energy also. Okay, that is a kind of system. VRS system is another thing which is good if you are if you want to utilize the low grade energy. Okay, because if you will convert low grade into high grade energy, and then if you will utilize the high grade energy, then losses will be very high. Okay, you want a very large setup actually. Okay, and that is actually not good for VCRS kind of system. Then it is better to switch to VRS. And we use VRS system in large capacities. So you need to be very clear about that. And even if you are not getting this, at least explore some other area. Na? Be very clear with some more research areas. Like, sir, this is the area where I can work. Other than this, तो वो थोड़ा सा आपने नहीं लग रहा है कि you carry out some homework, वो some missing है, ठीक है? So do some work, explore their IIT Guwahati website, explore what type of work they are doing, okay? And at least if you are not getting ideas, suppose then you can mention their work. It is good to mention your research interest, your research gap. Like if you are having any specific research gap in mind, you can highlight that. But suppose if you are not getting any research gap, then what you can do? You can mention their research areas on which they are working. But कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना Siddesh.
Yes.
You are not telling your research gap and you are not mentioning their areas, and you are saying, sir, I don't know like where I want to work. Then it is not good, है ना? You need to work on that.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Vijendra sir.
Okay. So Siddesh, एक छोटा सा point, एक छोटा सा topic और work more detail on that. You need not to write 10 topics and not clear in one either. So whenever you say something, you should have authenticity of that. जैसे कंप्रेसर आप बोल रहे हैं ना, कोल्ड स्टोरेज में हम सोलर एनर्जी से कंप्रेसर चला लेंगे, चैलेंजिंग है, इजी नहीं है वो. मतलब हम लोग अभी तक एसी नहीं चला पाए हैं सोलर एनर्जी के साथ. एसी वैसी से चल नहीं पाता है वो. तो वेपर अब्जॉर्प्शन तो फिर समझ आता है, वेपर कंप्रेशन नहीं समझ आता है यार, वो बहुत ज्यादा उसके लिए एनर्जी चाहिए. डोमेस्टिक फ्रिज तक लोग यूज नहीं कर पाए हैं. कोल्ड स्टोरेज में बहुत ज्यादा कैपेसिटी चाहिए, राइट? आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बट एज ऑफ नाउ इट इज नॉट ऑब्वियस, इट इज नॉट विजिबल. वो चीज है. सो मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम उसमें थोड़ा सा डिटेल में देखो कि काम क्या चल रहा है वहां पे, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू गो फॉर दैट, हाउ पीपल आर डूइंग, राइट? यू गो फॉर दैट एंड दैट इज हाउ वी हैव टू प्रोसीड. सीधे थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट कर ले, प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट में वर्कआउट कर ले कैसे है.
या श्योर.
लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. हां,
या श्योर.
चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू.